Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 18. It's currently 4 a.m. in New York. So let's do our charging session for today's session. So we're not repeating what happened yesterday. We're doing what's going to happen today. And hope to trade with that. So you can see we start from the monthly. Again, nothing really changed. We still have the monthly here. I did say that we want, I think last video on the stream, I want the midpoint from here, right? Maybe we can get it. But anyway, bullish order flow on the monthly is confirmed. On the lower time frame, on the weekly, sorry, we have swing high, which is starting to form no swing low right now, right? So there's no fractal here, guys. There's no order flow on the weekly. So high time frame is not in our favor. The daily, we got swing high, we got swing low, and then FEG in between. Can you guys see that? Sorry, I turned the daily off. I don't know why I had it off. There you go. That's it. Yesterday we longed towards it, and then we shorted from it. We long 50 points towards it from the open. So I think somewhere around here. And I think it was more than 50. I think it was 63 points. But we dumped 1,000 points, and we dumped 300 more after that because of order flow. We anticipated lower prices. I wanted these lows, and I'm specifically looking for these lows right there. Okay. I'm specifically looking for those lows right there. These are manipulating lows. This low manipulate this low, so the people might think it's not going to be attacked, but it's going to be targeted more than just like these. They're going to be more targeted than these relative equal highs. These are actual relative equal highs, relative equal lows. These are relative equal highs. Nobody teaches this except our students, not students, our friends, our traders in our Discord. For example, Chadley, who is an ICT chart member, he spent one-on-one with ICT himself for years, guys. So come listen from him. He spent years with him daily, like literally most of the year spent time working with them. So anyway, the daily is bearish, so obviously order flow is bearish. 4 hour, we look at the 4 hour, we have a swing high, we have a swing low, and we got an FEG here, right? Do we? Nope, sorry. We got swing high, and we're forming a swing low. Do we have an FEG in between? Nope. No order flow on the 4 hour. Yes, we got 4 hour here, but I don't care. This is the new swing high. This is the new swing low. So in 2 hours, once this swing low closes, I don't think we're going to get a fair value gap anyway because you need 3 candles. This candle's gone from here. This candle's gone. This one is gone. Even if this one flips, you need another 4 hour candle. So I think by around 6 a.m., I think by 10 a.m. we will have an opportunity to see on the 4 hour. We might form an FEG by 10 a.m. All right. If this candle falls like a bullish candle or a bearish candle, and on the 10 a.m. you form another candle, that close of that candle will be our third candle for the FEG, right? We took sell side, so I think this bearishness is enough. However, on the daily, like I said, I want at least, where is it? I want that weekly midpoint, that monthly midpoint, or at least we got the monthly FEG here. We might be going towards it, or the weekly. Where is it? Pretty much, I don't see any more targets. We have this FEG here. There's nothing really important here. 4 hour, we took all the liquidity. We have these right here. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one I was talking about. These real relative equal lows. I want them taken out. Anyway, dropping to the 1 hour, we see that 1 hour gave us a trade, and we just took it just a few minutes ago. We bounced from the daily yesterday, and it gave us an alert just a few minutes ago. As you guys can see, it says Shisha traders 1 hour bearish IRL reacting. It reacted here. You could have immediately turtle souped here. We got swing high, we got swing low, and we got an FEG in between. Oh, look, 1 hour reacting again. It doesn't just tell you reacting when it touches it. It's reacting when there's a specific criteria. So it's not just like, oh, touch FEG, go enter. No, you can't do that. Stop loss would be here, and you technically target external range liquidity. But of course, you would go to break even, for example, at a specific level. For example, this is 335 point trade. So maybe at 1 hour you might like 100 points. Maybe at this FEGCE you'd go. We'll see. Drop it to the 50 minute. You'll see that we have a break block here. We got that 1 hour. And on that 1 minute, you can see that we touched that 1 hour, beautiful, going down. We found 1 minute's FVGs on the way down. And so maybe your break even would be these lows or these lows. Again, this is not financial advice, but this would be actually your trade, right? So if you're to 1 micro, you're risking almost $180 to make in literally $500. Or if you do 2 micros, you're risking $380 to be making almost 1K, right? But the draw is so far away, so do we get there right away, or I'm not sure, to be honest with you. But this here is perfect because we've got high, higher high, lower low. So this is also an hourly breaker block. This is also an hourly breaker block. And it's an hourly BPR. Like if you want to do these magic stuff, ICT stuff, you can do those. You can actually do those. You see, perfect place to go short. And that entry, we took it together on Discord, is already 226 ticks. Well, I pinged you guys, but you guys all got alert anyway, so can't really say that I alerted you guys, but I showed you guys that I'm in the trade, but I was already in the trade for this one. So excuse me on that one, guys. I was trying to make a video. We're already up 60 points, guys. We're already up 60 points. Okay, so you decide where you want to go to break even. I think once we take out this low, we go to break even, but since TP is very far away, it's best. Well, really don't need to, but yeah, I think going here, break even, once we take that low, you can go. So we're taking a real trade right now, like this, right? And you got a risk-free trade. You either take a partial here or you hold to these levels, whatever you want, right? But I'm bearish because the daily is bearish, the 4 hour is nothing, no order flow. The hourly is bearish, the 50-minute is bullish right now. The highest fractal, we got bullish FEGs in here. Right, but you will see them that we don't have any FEGs. We got this one right here, but they will not be drawn, and this one right here, because the order flow is bearish. It's going to take precedence for the hourly and the 4 hour and the daily and weekly and monthly, right? Otherwise you're going to confuse it, and there's no point in this indicator. You might just as well go in the indicators here and get fucking multi-time frame FEG stuff like that, right? Which don't work, and they just spam your thing. Anyway, thank you for joining, guys. Here's the execution. See? Anyway, alright, thanks guys, peace. We'll check again at 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Always check these 3 times, right? 2 a.m., 6 a.m., 10 a.m. Why? I'm not saying because that's the 4 hour open. I'm just saying to see if we have an FEG or not, right? Look, if we have an FEG or not at that time frame, you don't need to analyze or try to see we're going to get manipulation leg, or we're going to get a distribution leg, or we're going to get an open, or we're going to get consolidation leg, right? Just see if we got an FEG. It will allow you anyway. All right, peace.